So last time discussing about reactivity towards the oxygen group of 6, 16 and 17 group of 18th element. So today we are to starting group of 16 element reactivity towards the halogen. The elements of group of 16 react with halogen to give large number of halides. These are following type. First one is that hexahalide, that is EX6, tetrahalide, that is EX4, and dihalide, that is EX2, and lastly monohalide, that is E2X2. So where E is sulfur, selenium and tellurium. So what are the hexahalide? Only these hexahalide I would like to discuss hexahalide group of 16 element. So in this group of 16 element, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. So these are the element group of 16 element, and they have 2s and 2p, 3p, 3 2p orbital. They having 8 electron, maximum 4 bond. So maximum 4 bond where covalency is 4. Maximum they cannot oxygen for 6 bond and 6 halogen. So halogen has, oxygen has accommodate, oxygen has accommodate 12 electron in its valence shell, which is not possible. Oxygen does not any vacant d orbital. So OF6 does not exist due to absence of vacant d orbital valence shell oxygen. And lastly, polonium does not form hexahalide. Oxidation state plus 6, oxidation state decreases from oxygen to polonium. Plus 6 stability decreases due to inert pair effect. But plus 4 stability form oxygen to polonium maximum oxidation state polonium shows. So in this, why only they are showing exist in hexahalide, only sulfur, selenium and tellurium shows exist in hexahalide. Due to their vacant d orbital, they can expand their octet state. So only sulfur, selenium, tellurium can expand octet state. They accommodate more than 8 electrons present in their valence shell. So only 3 hexahalide are exist. Hexachloride, hexabromide, hexaiodide does not exist due to do not have vacant d orbital. So the next is that hexahalides are only hexahalides SF6, SeF6, tellurium F6 are formed direct combination. They are colorless gases. They have sp3d2 hybridization. They have sp3 sp3 due to hybridization octahedral structure. They have the octahedral structure. SF is exceptionally stable halide for steric reason. Next is that tetrahalide. Sulfur tetrafluoride, selenium tetrafluoride, tellurium tetrafluoride, tellurium tetrachloride have sp3 hybridization and thus trigonal bipyramidal geometry with one equatorial position by lone pair. One lone pair equatorial position by lone pair. Next, third one is that dihalide. Second is tetrahalide. Third one is that dihalide. In this dihalide, sulfur dichloride, selenium dichloride, tellurium dichloride have sp3 hybridization, thus possesses tetrahedral structure. This possesses tetrahedral structure with two equatorial position of by lone pair. Two equatorial position of lone pair. So in this dihalide, two equatorial position of lone pair, formation of sp3 hybridization. They have tetrahedral structure. sp3 means tetrahedral structure, and tetrahalide, they have trigonal bipyramidal geometry. So next point is that monohalide. Monohalides are dimeric in nature. Monohalide are dimeric in nature. Formation H2F2, H2Cl2, and selenium diselenium dichloride and Ac2Br2. These are dimeric halide undergo disproportionation. So what is the selenium dichloride? Formation of selenium tetrachloride and triselenium plus triselenium by undergo disproportionation. Next point is that reactivity towards the 18th element towards halogen. Group of 17 element. Group of 18 element towards halogen means group of 17 element. So group of 17 element combine among themselves. In this halogen group of 17 element combine amongst themselves the number of interhalogen compound. Number of interhalogen compound, and these interhalogen compound we have to lastly discussing about the interhalogen. What are the interhalogen? Halogen reacts with the other halogens are called as the interhalogen. That are types are X1, X3, XX5 and XX7. That is, X is nothing but halogen atom with larger size. X is halogen smaller size. More than detailed interhalogen compound we have to study in the next topic. Then group of 18th element. These are the group of 18th element. So reactivity group of 18 element are react with reactivity towards the halogens. So group of 18 element noble gases are chemically inert. krypton and xenon, however, react directly with fluorine to give their fluoride. For example, xenon reacts with the fluorine in presence of 673 Kelvin temperature and 1 atmospheric pressure gives xenon difluoride. Gives the xenon difluoride. So various types of xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride are crystalline, colorless, which sublime readily, and 200 at 98 Kelvin temperature are powerful reducing agent. Are powerful reducing agent. So this is the group of 18th element reactivity towards the halogen. 18th element reacts with halogen. The next is the reactivity towards the metal, means group of 16 element reacts with metals. Corresponding oxides are formed. Metal oxides are formation. So for example, aluminum reacts with oxygen, formation of aluminum trioxide, that is alumina, or Al reacts with TiSO2, formation of twice Al2O3, that gives aluminum oxide. Then second, copper reacts with sulfur, corresponding copper sulfide are formation. Then magnesium reacts with selenium, corresponding magnesium selenides are formed. Then reacts with group of 17 element. Group of metal reacts with group of 17 element. What are the metal? We know that sodium is also metal. In element group of 17, halogen reacts with the sodium metal. Sodium reacts with chlorine gas. Sodium solid reacts with chlorine liquid. Metal instantly give metal halides. Means sodium reacts with chlorine, formation of solid sodium chloride. Magnesium react with liquid bromine, formation of magnesium bromide. And ionic characters are decreases. That is metal fluoride, metal chloride. M is the monovalent metal. There are decreases fluorine to iodine. Just like fluorine is greater than chlorine, chlorine is greater than bromine, bromine is greater than iodine. So there are ionic characters are decreases fluorine to iodine. The metal halides are having metal in their higher oxidation state. Metals are higher oxidation state are more covalent than one having metals lower oxidation state. There are formation of metal SnCl4, PbCl4, antimony pentachloride, that is uranium hexafluoride, stannous dichloride, and lead dichloride, SbCl3, and uranium tetrafluoride respectively. The next one is that group, the halogen reacts with the metal can react with the group of 18 element. Noble gases does not direct react with the metal. Next point is that what is an allotropy? So reactivity of metal and reactivity towards the halogen. The next point is what is can allotropy? So what is allotropy? a phenomenon which is exist in different crystalline form with physical properties such as color, density, melting point. The phenomenon is called as allotropy. Polymorph- Polymorphism is phenomenon is which is a single exist two or more forms crystalline structure. Therefore allotropy in element only while polymorphism can be found in the compound. Polymorphism found in the compound. So that is called as the what is the polymorphism and allotropy? Color, density, melting point, and is showing the different forms are the physical properties. For example, selenium. Selenium exists in two allotropic forms. Red is non-metallic and gray is metallic. Then tellurium exists in two allotropic form. Tellurium exists two allotropic form, crystalline and amorphous. Polonium reveal two allotropic forms, alpha and beta, both are metallic. So allotropes of sulfur means same element but different existence, alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. They exhibit in numerous allotropic forms, just like alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. The most important allotropes of sulfur. So what are the allotropes of selenium also? Red and gray selenium. And allotropes of sulfur is alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. So next point is that how will you differentiate the allotropes of sulfur in their different physical properties, just like the color, shape, melting point, density, solubility, stability, and structure, methods of preparation. So how will you differentiate? Means they alpha sulfur and rhombic sulfur is also called as alpha sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur is also called as beta sulfur. So in rhombic sulfur, pale yellow color, but in monoclinic sulfur or beta sulfur, bright yellow solid. The shape of alpha sulfur is orthorhombic crystal, and shape of beta sulfur is monoclinic needle shape and monoclinic crystals. Next point is that melting point as comparable to alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. Melting point of alpha sulfur is 385.8 Kelvin temperature and beta sulfur melting point is 393 Kelvin temperature. So density 2.069 cubic centimeter of alpha sulfur and density of beta sulfur is 1.989 cubic centimeter. The next point is that solubility. Alpha sulfur is insoluble in water and soluble in carbon disulfide. Beta sulfur is soluble in carbon disulfide Next point is that as compared to alpha and beta sulfur, stable in alpha sulfur, stable below 369 Kelvin temperature, and transform beta sulfur above this temperature. Then beta sulfur stable above 369 and transfer alpha sulfur below this temperature. So what is the structure? We have to consider the structure of alpha sulfur. In sulfur are existing octatomic structure. There are sulfur existing octatomic molecule having puckered ring structure, and beta sulfur is also octatomic puckered ring structure. Then method of preparation of alpha sulfur. It is prepared by evaporation, roll sulfur in carbon disulfide. Preparation of beta sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is melted in a dish, cooled till crust is formed, two holes and made. The crust remaining liquid is poured out of give needle shaped crystal of beta sulfur. So this is about your as comparable to the comparison of alpha sulfur and beta sulfur. Alpha sulfur is also called as rhombic sulfur and beta sulfur is also called as monoclinic sulfur. So this is about your allotropes of sulfur. Oxoacid of sulfur forms number of oxoacid, some of them unstable, some of them are unstable, cannot isolated, they are existing aqueous solution or form their salts. So in this structure of octatomic structure of sulfur is rhombic sulfur, that is puckered structure or ring structure. The acid molecule are ring structure or puckered structure. And the next is that S6, there are a chair form. The bond angle between sulfur and another sulfur in chair form 205, 200 and 0.5.7 picometer, and sulfur angle in chair form 102, 100 and 02 degrees Celsius. The next is that what are the structure of sulfurous acid? H2CO3. They having this type of structure H2SO3 sulfurous acid. Sulfur having the lone pair of electron. They having the lone pair of electron. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. So S is bonding with oxygen double bond H2SO4, two double bond, and these are bonding with the two are single bond. Disulfuric or pyrosulfuric acid H2O7. This is the pyrosulfuric acid. Oxygen bonding with another oxygen, di or pyrosulfuric acid H2O7, pyrosulfuric acid. That is also called as oleum. Peroxo monosulfuric acid H2SO5. This is sulfur is bonding with oxygen double bond. This another sulfur, another oxygen is bonding double, and HOO. This another hydrogen and oxygen bonding with two single bonds are. The next is that peroxy disulfuric acid, H2H2O8. Their two sulfur atoms are bonding with structure H2H2O8, peroxy disulfuric acid, and thisulfuric acid, H2H2O3. This is this type of structure of this H2O3. Then oxo acid of chlorine. Oxo acid of chlorine is that hypochlorous acid, HOCl. So this type of structure of H is bonding with oxygen, single bond. This is Cl is also single bond. Chlorous acid, one is single bond, and chlorine oxygen, that is double bond. HCl2. We have to writing in the chlorous acid HClO, HOClO, or writing with HClO2. Chloric acid HClO3. So this type of chloric acid structure, hydrogen is bonding with chlorine, hydrogen is bonding with oxygen single, and oxygen is bonding with the chlorine single, and chlorine and oxygen is double bond. Two oxygen is bonding with double bond. That is chloric acid. Perchloric acid, ClO4, perchloric acid, HClO4. That is called as the, this is the structure of perchloric acid, HClO4. Cl bonding 4 oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. What are the oxy acid of oxy acid of these halogens? Means oxy acid of oxo acid of halogen. The halogen form several 4 oxo acid. Perchloric acid, iodic acid HiO3, metaperiodic, that is H2O6, and the other stable aqueous solution in the form of their salts. The acid strength of oxo acid are increasing oxidation state of halogen. For example, acid strength, that is HClO, is weak, that is Ka is equal to 3.5 into 10 raised to minus 8 to HClO4 is strong. It is weak, or HClO4 is strong acid. So it is weaker than first. HClO4 is weaker than this HClO. So this is oxygen. Next point is that oxygen compound. Oxygen compound. This point is deleted from this syllabus. So 7.9, 7.9, oxygen and compound of oxygen. Oxygen and compound of oxygen. The page number also 150 is also deleted. Page number 51 is also deleted, and page number 152. So and 153 only flow diagram of manufacture of sulfuric acid is deleted. 152 is a compound of sulfur. This part is added in our syllabus. Only manufacturing of disulfuric acid. This flow diagram of manufacture sulfuric acid is deleted. But overall, this matter is also included in our syllabus. So we are to next point, compound of sulfur, the taking next time. So you have to keep in mind what are the deleted part in this 12th reducing syllabus in 12th standard. 151, 150 these pages, and oxygen, compound of oxygen.